What's up, guys? Welcome back to Auto Rehab Part 2. Here's my buddy Eddie right here. And we are going to be digging farther into it to see why this car was salvaged out. We noticed that the clutch was completely disengaged. So we're going to try and put everything back together and just to see if maybe they did all this work just to get to the clutch.
Display cylinder.
Show what's going on back here.
It's just unbolted, hanging.
Is it?
Yes, sir. And then the shifting cables were disconnected. So
the car was definitely when you couldn't depress the clutch, or you could even shift gears. So we got it.
Yep. We got it to run.
All right.
So
go ahead. Can you go ahead and put the bolt in?
Yes, sir.
All right, and let's just see if it'll start working or not.
Good. Real good.
Yeah, it's working. All right, here we go. One part down.
Let's get the 3 bolts.
So what I did today was I ordered a complete wiring diagram and a complete rebuild from Lotus, so we can kind of see how this car was put together and how everything works, because like I said, this car was completely taken apart, so we have no idea what went where. So it's kind of like I said, it's like a maze and a puzzle at the same time. So with any build, I would probably say the hardest part for me personally is always finding the parts. Not having the right part or trying to locate it is pretty tough, especially when there's no part number on the part. For example, this part right here was there and looks like they ripped it when they were taking off the car. Thankfully, the dealer we spoke to actually has some knowledge of the cars and stuff, so he sent us the hose, which it doesn't look right in this picture, but if you pull up this diagram, there it is right there, and that's exactly what we need. Alright, sometimes you just need little things. It's missing a little pin, so that means I gotta make a little trip to AutoZone. Got a little universal pack, so they have all different sizes. Needed to get some power steering fluid. They couldn't look up a Lotus, so they looked up a Camry. It takes the same stuff. Dextron 3. Alright, got the jump box on. We're gonna start up and just see if the clutch actually engages and drives. If it doesn't, our worst fear might come true, that they pulled the engine transmission out and pulled the whole body off to perform some kind of service on the transmission, or it's a bad transmission. Alright, hope it's got enough charge. Hey, inertia switch, yep. You gotta jump off the inertia switch.
Alright, let's see.
Alright, let's see if she fires up, man. See? Go ahead and just show them again. You can see, look. You press the clutch, put it in first gear, let go of clutch, nothing. Look at that. It's like it's in neutral. Any gear you put in, the car doesn't do anything.
We're gonna have to put this thing on the lift.
Alright.
And take the privacy cover off and see
what's going on.
Maybe they took the clutch off.
Something's not right for sure.
Yeah, something. Yep. Oh yeah, definitely.
I hope it's something simple, but usually that's not the case. Alright. Let's get this car ready and put it up in the lift then. Alright. I realize this thing actually has a glove box. And if I press this button right here, there it is. Look at that. Paperwork. Okay. Hold on a second. Maybe we could find the owner. Let's see here. Automotive. Aha! We got a phone number, dude. Where's my phone? Alright.
Sweet.
Let's give him a call. Alright.
Give these boys a call.
Let's find out if this is a insurance fraud or what's going on with this car. Why are they taking it apart?
They're not gonna tell us, but at least
shot.
Yeah, at least we're gonna get an idea.
Oh.
Dialed is not a working number.
Boy, it dipped.
Please check the number and dial again.
They out.
Man.
What's this?
Oh, is that a picture of them for real?
Yeah, I think so.
Boy. Either this Marshall's much older or Marshall's one take 60s picture. I don't know. But it's not a bad looking picture though. Like I said, we'll definitely get this back to the owner. Ready? We're ready, let's go. Alright. Who needs to go to the gym, right? Here's working right here. Dang. Talk about leg day. I used to never skip leg day. Woo.
Going nose in, right?
Huh?
Going nose in.
My legs are burning on fire.
Well, might use a pry bar to get this plate off. See where the original pads are?
Right. They won't reach it.
It won't reach.
Dude, look at that. It's all covered in skip plates. I love that.
Yep, all aluminum.
That's awesome.
That is legit.
Right? Alright, y'all. So the plan is we're going to take the skid plate off and take a look at the transmission. We have a hunch that it needs a clutch. So we will find out here shortly. Yep, coming over here.
The transmission did come out. It's missing bolts, see?
Yep.
They're missing bolts.
So they did take the transmission out. I'm wondering if maybe it just got flooded to the transmission and then the clutch got stuck or something, right?
Yep, or I mean, it makes a lot of sense why they
did all this work and then put it back together. Hey, look, there's the bag you're talking about, the bolts. Wow, right? That's what it was.
And look, these lines. This is at least they have the AC lines capped off.
That is nice.
So it doesn't get any moisture.
Look at that, folks. Oh. They had bolts zipped out over there. Alright, so we pretty much narrowed down to what we have to do. We're going to pull the transmission out with the engine because it all comes out together and see if there's a clutch in there. Based on what we can see, the clutch just isn't engaging. It's like it's stuck in neutral. Just neutral is in every gear. So, like I said, we don't know if it was taken apart and then they didn't put the clutch back in there. We have no idea. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to pull everything back out and see what we're working with. And you guys will see the mad scientists get at it right now.
Ставить, ну, погоди музыку. Тара-тара-тара-тара.
We're gonna get started off to see if the clutch is still inside, and we will about to see here. Let's try. Yeah, the clutch looks like it's still in. Yeah. Well, I guess let's separate the transmission from the engine.
Yeah, that way we can see, you know, if the transmission is good or not. That'll give us a better idea.
The actual clutch plate, pressure plate is there.
Oh, all right, let's start ripping it apart. In order to get this transmission separated, we have to move the chain right here that is connected to the transmission. We're gonna have to try to find a spot on the engine. That way we can get it separated.
Alright, so we got the chain moved over to the engine now, and then we went ahead and dropped it all the way to the ground. That way it's easy to work on. The transmission will be easy to pull out and whatnot, so we're just going to start ripping her up. Alright, well, here we go. We unbolted the bolts. Here's the transmission. And now we're just gonna inspect.
Yeah, I think there is. Yeah, because look, where is the clutch? There's no clutch.
So you was right. So I had a bad clutch, and they didn't want to put a new clutch.
Just look, see, it goes into gear. Look,
The transmission should be fine.
see,
Then.
you can feel the resistance.
Alright, so we use like a full
So
clutch.
look. You have a shifter? Yeah.
Man, that's exciting, right? Look at that. Sometimes these high risks pay off.
Absolutely.
Oh, hopefully. Oh yeah. They put it to the clutch or just from?
Yeah, I mean, they burn that. That clutch is done. I mean, we don't even have it first of all. See, it churns. See, where's the neutral? See, that's neutral. That's gear. They just did a half fast putting it together. That's the reason why it never went into gear.
That is crazy.
Yep.
Alright, well, that's that. I guess we gotta order the clutch and the flywheel and put this baby together. While we're waiting on the clutch, had some free time, and, a couple of free days where the car's just sitting there without doing anything to it. So I figured I'd use this time and do something good. So I'll get the wheels. We got the wheels off right here, as y'all can see. Took them off the tires, and we're gonna send them and go get it powder coated. I'm gonna put them in gloss black. It should look pretty good once I get the windows tinted black. Here they are, and they are off to get powder coated. Next time we see these rims, they should be a nice gloss black.